Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Jeremy Welch, Chief Product Officer over at Kraken. We're going to take a look at innovation within the fintech space and why now is the time to invest in digital assets. Jeremy, it's great to see you. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Jill, thanks for having me on.
And let's talk about that technology innovation within the fintech space. It just seems to be that there's a new platform and new technology that users have available to them every day now.
Yeah, the pace has been dizzying. The growth across technology has really been crazy since the 90s, since the internet boom. And we've seen this affect a lot of different areas of the economy. It's finally coming in and affecting the financial sector as well. We're seeing this as simple as more advanced ways, easier ways to view your credit. But as far as full-on changes in currency, which is what we have with Bitcoin and with other cryptocurrencies, just the next evolution of currency.
And Jeremy, explain to us where Kraken fits within this ecosystem.
Sure. So Kraken is a global cryptocurrency exchange and financial fintech services provider. We have a number of different products. The core exchange is where we started. We were one of the earliest Bitcoin exchanges out there. We're one of the longest running and again, and most secure, best customer service. I could go on and on about kind of where we've come from, but where we are today, we just announced a new bank last year. So we'll have the first crypto bank. And we have other products around staking, which is kind of a yield product in the cryptocurrency space, even in index services for financial products. So lots of different products that we offer, lots of different services we offer. But our mission is just to enable acceleration of this whole technology revolution and provide as many services as we can to clients that want more advanced financial technology.
So Jeremy, let's talk about a little bit of price movement here. Certainly we saw volatility come back into the asset class in 2021, a little bit of a recovery as we closed out the first half. What do you make of the movement that we've seen?
Jill, the crypto markets have gone up and down just as any other market, but the swings have definitely surprised people. That's because it is an early market. It's an early nascent market that has been growing. Of course, in the last 2-3 years, we've seen a lot of institutions come in. You have people like longtime traders, Druckenmiller, Paul Tudor Jones, and major institutions that are coming in, as well as corporates like even Tesla and Square that are coming in, holding it on their balance sheet. So as the price grows, as more of these institutions and bigger players come in and we get more and more adoption, you should expect that those price swings will dissipate some, but it's going to take a lot more growth. So this will not be the last price dip that we see in the crypto markets. We will definitely see some more, but I do think that the overall picture here in terms of technology adoption, which is what we focus on, is very, very bullish. So we expect to continue seeing a lot of price growth on the near term, but we will continue to go through some cycles here.
So to wrap up here, why is now the time to invest, to get involved in crypto and the digital asset space in general?
Yeah, so this is a revolution in financial technology, and this is a major upgrade in currency that is programmable. It is open source. Anyone can read the rules. Anybody can participate in using these systems, and that ultimately makes them more resilient. That's actually the thing that's most important here. Is it's resilient, stronger money and financial technology. The reason to get involved now is that just like the early days of the internet, just like the early days of email, it was daunting for a lot of people whenever they put up their first website. We encourage people, just to dabble, just buy a little bit. You can buy a fraction of a Bitcoin or Dogecoin if you want, Ethereum, really anything else that you want. We just launched actually a consumer app this year to make it really easy for anyone to get in and try it out. But we do encourage people just to dabble, just to get to know kind of how these technologies work, learn about them, because again, this is the future, and we're going to be doing a lot more with these types of currencies, these types of cryptocurrencies going forward.
All right, Jeremy, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks so much, Jill.